Welcome to day 12 in the 30 days to a screenplay screenwriting sprint. Today we are going to force your character to do what they didn't want to do yesterday. And this is called the lock-in, aka plot point 1, and this is going to push us into act 2. So we're in a new phase tomorrow. We will be in act 2. The whole first act is really about the character debating whether to go on some sort of life-forming, transformative journey. When we hit this plot point 1, they have no choice. They're on it whether they wanted to or not. The lock-in is an unexpected event which is going to come along. It's going to be a surprise to the audience and to the protagonist, and that's going to push the character onto the journey or change the journey in some way. Sometimes it's like a form of kismet, right? Sort of a happy coincidence. Like in Breaking Bad, the lock-in. Now the call is, hey, if Walter White, if you sell some meth, you can become rich and save your family and have enough money so that your family never has to worry again. But how do you do it? It'd be pretty ridiculous to take this high school teacher and turn him into a meth dealer, right? So the way the screenwriter gets around it is they put in a happy accident. And this is something useful to you. I think that you may need that happy accident if you have a premise that's hard to swallow, right? All you need to solve that is a happy accident. So he sees he's going on a DEA run with his brother-in-law Hank, and he sees Jesse Pinkman crawling out of a window. This is his former high school student. Now this is it. This is his in. He has a way in, and the way in makes sense. Yeah, it's a coincidence. It's a crazy coincidence, but crazy coincidences happen in real life too, by the way. And it's a movie, well, forgive it. The fact that he sees his former high school student crawling out the window now is his in. He knows, oh, I can force this guy to help me become the meth dealer I need to be, and that is our in to Breaking Bad. So now he's locked in. He and Jesse are partnered up, and they are on the journey together. The plot point 1 often happens around page 27. And this sounds crazy to be that rigid about it and to say that, they should have like specific page counts. So this Sid Field says that page 27 is when it should happen. But when I tell you the amount of times that I watch a movie and I just hit the pause button right when I see that plot point 1 and lock in come in, and it is on minute 27, minute 28, minute 29. It is most of the time. So that can be an interesting exercise for you too. If you're watching a movie, just pause when you see what you think the lock-in is and see if it happens right around that page 27. So this is the lock-in. Our character's on the journey now, whether they like it or not, and that we have broken the script into act 2. And that means tomorrow we're going to work on our act 2. See you then.